Hello students of standard 10. First, we will see three important points and then we will solve two examples from practice set 3.2. Remember this. First point is the point of contact of the touching circles lies on the line joining their centers. This we proved in theorem. Then second point is if the circles touch each other externally, then the distance between their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. Third point is the distance between the centers of the circles touching internally is equal to the difference of their radii. So these 3 points are very important. You can see already these two figures are here. When two circles touching internally, that time distance between the centers is the difference of their radii. And when circles are touching externally, then distance between their centers is sum of their radii. By using these 3 points, now we will solve examples of practice set 3.2. First example is two circles having radii 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touch each other internally. Find distance between their centers. Now we know when circles are touching internally, then distance between their centers is difference of their radii. Now here figure is not given, but we can take our own figure. Now here outer circle is with center P, inner circle with center Q, and they are touching internally in point R. Therefore, in solution, let circles with centers P and Q touch each other internally at point R, and radius of the outer circle or bigger circle be 4.8 cm. That's why PR equal to 4.8 cm. PR is the radius of the outer circle and QR is the radius of the inner circle, means smaller circle. Therefore, QR is 3.5 cm. Now we know the statement. The distance between the centers of the circles touching internally is equal to the difference of their radii. Now distance between two centers is PQ. Here in the figure, PQ means distance between two centers equal to PR minus QR. Radius of the outer circle minus radius of the inner circle. Now radius of outer circle is 4.8 and inner circle is 3.5. So equal to 4.8 minus 3.5 equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. Then point as it is, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 1.3 centimeter. Therefore, the distance between the centers of circles is 1.3 centimeter. Then second example is two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter touch each other externally. Then find the distance between their centers. Now here circles touching each other externally means like this. Here we are taking one circle with center P, other circle with center Q, and they are touching externally in point R. Figure is not given, but we can draw. That's why let circles with centers P and Q touch externally at point R. Then take radius of the bigger circle 5.5 cm and smaller circle 4.2 cm. PR is the radius of the bigger circle and QR is the radius of the smaller circle. Now, when circles are touching externally, that time distance between their centers is sum of their radii, means PQ is equal to PR plus QR. PQ equal to PR plus QR, region externally touching circles. Now write the radii here. PR equal to 5.5 plus QR equal to 4.2 and add them. 5 plus 2 is 7, point as it is, and 5 plus 4 9. Therefore distance between their centers is 9.7 centimeter. Write your answer here. in full sentence. Therefore, the distance between the centers is 9.7 centimeter. And now your homework is solve question number 3 from practice set 3.2.